Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to open notification bar, then we have to click on the Bluetooth icon and click and hold it to open the Bluetooth settings. Do the same on the second device. And right now we got here available devices, so I'm going to connect with this Huawei P30 Pro. So click on the device that you want to pair and then click right here on the both smartphones and the pair button, and as you can see right now our smartphones are connected. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!